Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family, y'all. My Kokie Cosmetics Mystery Bag is in, and let's just take a minute to appreciate the package protection that we have. Everything comes in baggies and then wrapped inside this big old bubble wrap, and then also put inside a bubble mailer. Y'all, things are not cheap, and we greatly appreciate our packages being packed very well. So good job, Kokie Cosmetics. Now, if y'all would like to see how I did this beautiful natural look today, then you know what to do. Just stay tuned, guys. All right, my loves. Hello, good morning. Welcome to all our new subscribers. Just a fair warning for those who have a concern with dogs barking in the background of people's videos. You might hear some in my video this time because Chicken Fuzz is really going through it.
What you doing, Fuzzy Fuzz? Come here, Fuzzy Fuzz. What you doing? Come here, sweet baby. Come see Mama. Come here, Fuzzy Fuzz. Hi. Oh, Bear. Bear. Hi, Fuzzy Fuzz. Oh, poor baby. Fuzzy Fuzz, come here. Fuzzy Chicken. What are you doing? Oh, you guys see how he's in the shape of a C? So bad for him.
We have upped his pain medication, upped his muscle relaxers, but just every few hours, you guys, he's just really hurting. So if you hear dogs barking, it's because Fuzzy Chicken's over there by my door trying to get comfortable. Sorry. Guys, let's get into Kokie Cosmetics Mystery Bag. $25. They do one every single month. I have enjoyed every one of them that I have gotten so far. And shout out to Miss Yvette for always sending me my reminders to get them in all the new mystery boxes that she finds. She lets me know about them on Instagram. Thank you very, very much, sweet girl. Okay, guys, let's get into it. I did do this look today with the products I received in the mystery bag. So pretty. I'll start playing that video right down there for you guys. First thing I'm going to show you here, these are their cleansing pads. Yes, full-size products that we receive from them. I've never received a sample size or deluxe sample. No, it is their actual products, and what they send you out is their full-size products, you guys. I thoroughly enjoy that. I wanted to show you guys, this includes the little tweezers to pick you up just a single wipe. How freaking cute is that? I know Miss Bethany from One Busy Mama will enjoy that. She loves little tiny little things like that. So cute. Here in a minute, we'll try these out and see how well they work. All right, let's get to the heart of this package this month. I got their EP579 Smolder palette. It was so easy to use, you guys. You can actually do a deep, dark, smoky look with this, but I chose to do this one here. And I'll put close-ups there and there for you guys. Done that with this palette. It was so quick and so easy. I'll do a few swatches for you guys. Here's the shimmer that I used. Look at that. I love it. It's not glitter. It is a shimmer. I will also go ahead and swatch the matte that I used. Just a nice gold, not gold, brown. And then I use this charcoal underneath my eyeline, underneath my bottom eyelashes there. And then also my outer corners where I use that. And then I also use this shade right here underneath my brow bone. Very, very easy palette to work with. I did enjoy that very much. Next thing we have here is from their Crystal Fusion liquid eyeshadows. I did use it in the inner corners today. You gotta get the hang of using these type of, well, I guess shadows. Sorry, there he goes. Because they are liquid, so you got to learn how to work with them. Now, a lot of them, you do want to put it out here on your hand, just as I did. Then, we're going to show you with the Kokie Cosmetics brush that I received, and I did use it down there in the video. To build the opaqueness in this, you want to apply it, let it dry, and then build it up, let it dry to the opaqueness that you want. Or you can just sheer it out as an eyeshadow topper. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so pretty. As I said, I did use it in my inner corners today. They are popping. Let's put a little bit more right there. Give you guys a little freshness I love it. That was just so gorgeous. Okay, guys, I've got 2 more things in here, and I so appreciate that they do this. Lippy and a liner together, and they match. I love it. This one here is in the shade, I believe it's Natural. Yes. And we'll go ahead and swatch you right there for you guys. It's a beautiful pinky rose color. Gorgeous. I do have it on my lips down there in the video for you guys. And then I also received this. You guys, I could have swore this was like a liquid lip. No, it's a cream gloss. It is so pigmented. Look at that. It is so pigmented. I swore it was a liquid lippy. I had to read it like 3 times. No, it's just one of their cream glosses. And you guys, it is so freaking pigmented. Look at that. I'm like, okay. It says it's a gloss. Let's look again. It's a gloss. It really, really is. Look. Cream gloss. It really is a gloss, you guys. I enjoyed it. It's gorgeous. I love the shade. Oh, I forgot to tell you what it is. It is Dynasty. Gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Now, you guys, let's get out our handy-dandy tweezers here and get our wipe. Ta-da! And then pop that puppy right back in that lid so we don't lose those. Your girl is very good at losing things. Misplacing things, I guess you could call it. All right, let's see how well these things work. Okay, so the lip liner and the lippy is being a little stubborn, but that's pretty normal. You want to let it set for a little bit and then go back over it. Okay, yeah, it's working. So the more I scrub, the more it comes off, which is pretty gosh darn normal. Now I am curious to see if there's going to be like a sticky residue. I mean, look at that soap that's bubbling up from there. I mean, you can see it clear up there. It kind of squirted. I don't know what to call it. A little bit. So I want to see if there's going to be like a liquid residue. I'm going to take my makeup eraser and just wipe off that excess. No, they're not sticky. That is awesome. All right, my loves, that is all for the Kokie Cosmetics Mystery Bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this natural, beautiful, nudie type of look. I'm not sure what to call it, you guys. I just think it's gorgeous. I really do love it. The eyeshadows performed very well. The liquid gloss, you guys, I'm in awe of it. Like, wow. And I do love their lip liners. Every one that I've gotten, I have loved. As far as the liquid eyeshadows go, I'm learning how to work with them, you guys. And I'm really liking them, kind of like I'm really loving the eye crayons. Kind of digging it, you guys. All right, loves, that is all. Your girls, see you in the next video. Bye, guys.